How much do you understand about the waste problem in Thailand? Unattended waste, illegal waste dumping in public areas, hazardous waste management, improper waste management, and non-standard construction and operation of waste disposal facilities. How do these problems affect us? You know it. Improper waste management damages people's health and the country's environment. How do we solve this? Bangpoo Environmental Complex Company Limited, or BPEC, operates the integrated waste management complex for both hazardous and non-hazardous industrial waste and municipal waste. The hazardous waste will be blended into alternative fuel or alternative raw materials for cement kilns. All non-hazardous waste, on the other hand, will be sorted to separate the recyclable material from the non-recyclable, which will be delivered to the furnace. BPEC not only demolishes waste in accordance with international standards, but also generates steam turbine electricity from excess steam. This is another step of resource recovery for the utmost benefit. BPEC is a subsidiary of Waste Management Siam, or WMS, under the management of Dowa Ecosystems, one of the leading and most progressive waste management and recycling companies in Asia, with the supervision of Dowa Holding Limited from Japan. In the year 2000, Waste Management Siam, WMS, entered into a 20-year agreement with the Industrial Estate Authority of Thailand, or IEAT, to construct and operate the state-of-the-art waste-to-steam facility that was supported by the Japanese government for one fluidized bed incineration system, together with steam-producing and controlling systems. WMS later established Bangpoo Environmental Complex Company Limited, or BPEC, to manage the project, which is located in Bangpoo Industrial Estate, Samut Prakan Province. BPEC received a wide range of operational permits for factory types 88, 101, 102, 105 and 106 to manage commercial and industrial non-hazardous and hazardous transfer stations, manage the waste incineration system for non-hazardous commercial and industrial waste, non-hazardous wastewater, solid and liquid waste blending to produce alternative fuel and alternative raw material, as well as fluorescent lamp management for recycling, plus a 1.6 megawatt steam turbine generator. What is the service process of BPEC? After getting a request from a customer, our technical sales representative will visit the customer's plant to provide advice regarding waste management. Following the initial assessment, using our standard pre-acceptance procedures, our technical sales representative reviews the waste stream and tests the samples in our laboratory to determine the appropriate handling method and the most cost-efficient treatment process. The service also includes following up the waste stream permit with the Department of Industrial Works and providing consultancy services for customers at their factories. To ensure safe and efficient transportation of the waste, BPEC provides various types of waste collecting equipment, including vehicles and containers, to meet specific customer needs. BPEC also has a manifest system and GPS systems on each truck to control all procedures and to accurately track the transport and disposal of all waste. After the waste arrives at BPEC, each vehicle is required to weigh all the waste at the weighing bridge and be inspected by an environmental engineer to ensure the management process according to the regulations. This thermal destruction process, which utilizes fluidized bed technology incineration, commences from waste delivery to receiving building for sorting and shredding before delivery through a waste conveyor to the refuse pit. At the refuse pit, a bucket grab is installed to mix waste to make it homogeneous for the purpose of complete combustion before grabbing about 2.5 cubic meters at a time into a hopper for secondary shredding. Small pieces of waste will be delivered by conveyor to the furnace, consistently and continually, to optimize combustion in the furnace. The main fuel in the furnace is waste itself, with sand as a media for combustion. High-quality diesel with less than 0.05 of sulfur is used as the supplement fuel to increase the temperature in the combustion chamber to a level that can burn waste and to control sustainably the temperature not to be lower than 850 degrees Celsius. The flue gas from the thermal treatment process will be converted into steam power through the boiler. After combustion, gases or hot steam will be emitted from the furnace at or above 850 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it's necessary to reduce it to a proper temperature before entering the air treatment system, so that gases emitted will be clean and meet both local and international standards, while the liquid waste will be passed to the wastewater treatment system. The boiler can produce steam at a maximum 17.6 tons per hour to sell to neighbourhood factories in Bangpoo Industrial Estate. Excess steam from selling has the potential to produce up to 1.6 megawatts of electricity. So BPEC enters a contract with the Metropolitan Electricity Authority, or MEA, to sell electricity that is generated by the process. Regarding environmental management, BPEC seriously follows the Environmental Impact Mitigation, Measurement and Environmental Monitoring Programme, as stated in the Environmental Impact Assessment Report. We also achieve ISO 14001 certification in environment management and ISO 9001 in quality management, as well as participating in the Industrial Waste Management Processor Leverage and being awarded a gold medal. BPEC has invested in a significant upgrade of the security and monitoring via CCTV or closed-circuit television systems and an access control system to provide greater assurances and added security to customers to ensure confidence that once their waste is handled by WMS, they can be assured it will be stored, treated and disposed of professionally. Besides the environmental concerns, BPEC also takes into account the contribution to the community and social activity. For example, the mangrove forest planting trees in the community to increase the green areas. Our project is well received by community leaders, as well as education institutes who visit our project from time to time. Community and society are significant parts of our operation. BPEC has been operating in every process in accordance to international standards. We are proud to be a part of the environmental management in Thailand, as we achieve the goal of returning the environment to the people of Thailand.